Hello students, coming to the next session, that is in last video we had seen session number 34. Now the continuation of that session, topic is inverse Laplace transform by completing the square. So far we have solved 3 problems in this topic. This is fourth one. Laplace inverse of, find the Laplace inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9. So how to solve this? Simply write down Laplace inverse of given function s plus 1 s square plus 6s plus 9 is equals to Laplace inverse of, first in denominator you have to make this completing the square, means it is definitely s plus 3 the whole square, and numerator you simply write down s plus 3 because here we have made s plus 3, you write s plus 3, but here what is s plus 1 is there. So what we have to do? Subtract minus 2, so we can get s plus 1. So here s plus 3 and s plus 3, here s plus 3 changes to s. So s and a, s minus a is equal to how much? Here s minus a, that means here plus is there, so a is equal to minus 3. Whenever s plus 3 changes to s, so we are applying this application. What is that? E raised to minus at. A is minus 3, e raised to minus 3t, Laplace inverse of remaining term. So s plus 3 becomes s here, s minus 2 divided by s plus 3 the whole square, s plus 3 becomes s square. So that is e raised to minus 3t, Laplace inverse of, what is that? S upon s square, it is 1 by s minus 2 constant I have taken outside, so Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square. Thus Laplace inverse of s plus 1 s square plus 6s plus 9 is equals to e raised to minus 3t. Laplace inverse of 1 by s is equal to, definitely we have seen in video number 29, what is that? So 1 upon s raised to n plus 1 is nothing but t raised to n divided by n factorial. Laplace inverse of this term is t raised to n divided by n factorial. So it is 1 by s, means it is 1, we are seen. So 1 by s, inverse of that term is 1, and Laplace inverse of 1 by s square is equal to 2 constant 2, it is t raised to n. N is how much here? S raised to n plus 1, 1 plus 1. T is 1 divided by 1 factorial. So it becomes 1 minus 2t. Next, Laplace inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9. So completing this square separately, I am writing 4s square plus 4s plus 9 becomes 4 taken outside, s square plus s plus 9 by 4. It is definitely 4 of s plus half the whole square. It is half the b square is how much? 1 upon 4. But here it is 9 by 4 is there. So you have to add 2. So we can get this term 9 by 4. Hence 7s plus 4, next numerator 7s plus 4, again in numerator also we require s plus half. So s plus half, 7s is there, 7 plus 7 into half, 7 half plus half, it is 4. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4. Now Laplace inverse of given function is equals to 1 by 4 into Laplace inverse of, here this term 4s square plus 6s plus 4, it is in denominator, that's why it is 1 by 4 Laplace inverse of. So in numerator 7s plus half divided by this one s plus half the whole square plus 2. So that is equals to, now again s plus half changes to s, and in here again a is equal to how much? Minus half. Plus symbol is there, it is minus half. If it is minus, then definitely a is equal to 1 by 2. Here a is equal to minus 1 by 2, e raised to at. A is half, means minus t by 2, and 4 already it is there. Next Laplace 7 I had taken outside. 7 Laplace inverse of s. This becomes s upon s square plus root 2 the square. This one s square plus a square root 2 the square a square plus half this half Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus s square plus again it is root 2 the square s square plus a square. Thus Laplace inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9 is equals to e raised to minus t by 2 by 4 and 7 s upon Laplace inverse of this one. S means always Laplace inverse of s upon what is that? S upon s square plus a square is equal to cos at. It is 7 cos a. A is how much here? Root 2 t plus here s upon s square plus a square 7 cos at root 2 t plus next 1 by 2 constant 1 upon s square plus a square it is 1 upon s square plus a square is nothing but sin 80 by a. It is sin 80 sin a t divided by again a root 2. This is the final answer for this problem. Next, very important, in university level they ask in just concluded exam August 2020, the university VTU university they are asked find the Laplace inverse of s plus 3 divided by s square minus 4s plus 13. The simple problem, write down Laplace inverse of s plus 3 divided by s square minus 4s plus 13 is equals to what we have to do? First, yes, correct. It is first you focus in denominator. First you focus in denominator. S plus 3 s square minus 4 given function. First focus in denominator. What is that? Try to complete the square. Here definitely s minus 2 the whole square because we will get 4s. A minus b the whole square 2ab. 2ab becomes here 4s. S square minus 4s plus 4 plus 4. But here 9 is there. Again we will 4 plus 9 here. 4 plus 9 is 39 means 3 square again. Again we are getting square because afterwards we will do s square plus a square. Next here in numerator simply write down s minus 2 as. So here s plus 3 there. So plus make it here 5 so that this equation becomes same. S minus 2 plus 5 is s plus 3. So here what happens? A is equal to how much? A is equal to 2 because here minus symbol is there. That means s minus a. So here a is equal to 2 and s minus 2 changes to s. This becomes e raised to 2t. Whenever we changes, this application comes e raised to at. Laplace inverse of this becomes s plus 5. This becomes s square divided by 3 square. So it is e raised to 2t. Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 3 square plus splitting this 5 upon 5 constant taken outside. Again Laplace inverse of remains what? 1 upon s square plus a square or a square s square plus 3 square. So thus Laplace inverse of given function is equals to e raised to 2t s upon s square. S is there, definitely it is cos 3t. See here. So Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus a square is equal to cos 80. It is cos a. A is here 3 cos 3t plus 5 there. Next Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 3 square. Definitely it is sin 1 upon s square plus a square sin 80 by a. Sin a is 3, 80 by a. It is 3. So 5 by 3. This is the very important question. So the answer is e raised to 2t cos 3t plus 5 by 3 sin 3t. Next problem number 7. This is also very important. Find Laplace inverse of s square minus 3s plus 4 divided by s cube. Here Laplace inverse s square minus 3s plus 4 divided by s cube given function is equals to Laplace inverse. So splitting this, here no making the square, simple question, just I am taking this extra problem here. S square upon s cube, 3s divided by s cube plus 4 upon s cube. Laplace inverse of s square upon s cube is 1 by s minus 3 by s square plus 4 by s cube. Next Laplace inverse of this term, this term, this term. So next Laplace inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. Next 3 constant I taken outside. Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 4 constant taken outside. Laplace inverse of 1 upon s cube. So here it is definitely 1 it is. This is 1 minus 3 into Laplace inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. Actually when we are going to solve this problem we are not writing like this, but those who are slow learners they can also understand this problem. 1 minus 3 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. Plus 1 in formula it is there, here 2 is there, so 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. 1 is already here in formula, so 1 here 1 plus 2 3. If it is 4 then 1 plus 3, if it is 5 it is 1 plus 4. So n becomes here 1, n becomes here 2. So 1 minus 3 into the Laplace inverse of, just I told no, s raised to n plus 1. What is that? S raised to n plus 1 is t raised to n divided by n factorial. T raised to n divided by n factorial. T raised to n is 1 here, divided by n factorial. This is n factorial, this is also n. So it becomes 1 minus 3t plus 2t square. So we can write this problem like this also within a, what is that? Laplace inverse of s square minus 3s plus 4 divided by s cube is equals to, I will write again, Laplace inverse of s square minus 3s plus 4 divided by s cube is equals to, directly you can write Laplace inverse of s square upon s cube is 1 by s. Next minus 3 Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 4 constant Laplace inverse of 1 by s cube. So Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1, and minus Laplace inverse of s upon s raised to Laplace inverse of, this is 3, here no s, here 1 is there, 1 upon s square, it is directly s raised to n plus 1, n is 1 here, t raised to n, it is 3 divided by 1 factorial, here 1 factorial is there, t raised to 1 plus 4 Laplace inverse of, again same, t raised to 2 plus 1 it is, n is n plus 1 here, s raised to 2 plus 1, s raised to n. So we can write t raised to n divided by n factorial. So it becomes 1 minus 3t, 1 factorial is 1 minus, so it is plus 4 t square divided by 2 factorial 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are, it is 2t square. So within 3 steps we will get the answer. They are giving simply 3 to 4 marks here because this is a simple problem. If it is like this problem, heavy problem, so they are giving here 5 marks. Though this one is simple, so giving 3 marks. This is the required solution for this problem. You have to, very important, they ask plenty of times in different university. So this is the answer for this problem.